Playing. Oh my god, the battery died, so we're going again. Text two. Luke's trying to get the sex for the big cow.
Is it really recording now?
Yeah, now it is.
Is the battery good?
Oh my god, no, it's still low. And look at the cow. Let's go away, run! Hey, little cow. Oh, look, that little retard. The thing can just stumble over him at any minute. Stupid fuck. There goes Luke. Luke. Did you pick that? Did you pick that female one? Oh, one more. One more.
It's still going?
Yep.